it's your girl, Boujee on the Bayou, cooks butter pecan banana muffins. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below.
It's so moist.
All right, everybody, here's the ingredients. I put most of the ingredients there. It's missing the milk. And I believe that's all it's missing right there is the milk. Here we go with our pecans. We're going right into the oven. The oven was preheated at 375 degrees. Place those pecans in there for 6 minutes. My butter is soft. I like to use a butter tray because I don't like hard butter. When I'm ready to use my butter, I want it to be ready. Here we go. I lined the pan with foil so that I could do this because you don't want to clean a messy pan with butter and all of that. So I like to line it with foil. We're gonna coat the pecans with butter. Looks good. Looks really good. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Level it off. Y'all, it was hard shooting with one hand and doing stuff with the other hand. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Level that off too, guys. 1 1/4 cup of flour. That was the 1/4 cup, and here's the 1 cup. My 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The recipe calls for kosher salt. I used sea salt. Whisk it. Whisk it good. Mash a cup of bananas. I like to use organic bananas. They're sweeter. All right, here we go with the rest of the ingredients on the recipe list. Mix them up. Guess what? I forgot the milk because it wasn't sitting out at room temperature with everything else. Along with the butter, the recipe calls for oil. I melted the butter to maybe get the same effect. I wanted to see what was going to happen. And I didn't have any buttermilk, so guess what I used? Regular milk. And you'll see it came out just fine. But, maybe later I'll try it with buttermilk when I get some in the house. But I didn't have any, you got to improvise sometimes, baby. Fold it in. I'm doing an okay job of folding here, y'all. Remember, I have one hand doing one thing and another hand doing another. It's all blended well. You probably don't want to mix it because it's going to make the muffin tough. Line your pans. If you like to spend time greasing and flouring pans, do your thing, honey. I don't have time for that. So I'm lining my pans with some cupcake liners. My pan. And here's this gadget that was a total failure. I believe it's really good for pancakes, which it has some pancakes on the picture. So I decided to just use a cookie scooper. It was easier that way. I was able to get a more accurate measurement on my scoops. Take your time here. You don't want to burn a muffin or cupcake because you've put too much batter in one and not the others, and it's cooking faster or one's cooking slower than the others. Add your buttered pecans. I chopped them up. As you can see, they're not still whole. I pat them down just a little bit. We're going to continue adding. Fill in all of the gaps, and that's a cup of pecans that we buttered, by the way. Fun. Press them in gently. Don't stick your finger all up in it. In the oven, 16 minutes. Turn them at the 8-minute mark. I forgot to turn them at 8 minutes, but I turned them. Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's time. They're done. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste these muffins. I keep saying muffins, they're cupcakes. I don't know, whatever. The recipe says they're muffins. We'll call them muffins. Check for doneness. My toothpick is clean. We're gonna cool them for 10 minutes. They're so pretty. I hope they taste as good as they look. Let's eat. The fork went straight through it. Okay. We got a moist muffin. Let's get some better lighting. I want y'all to see this. Oh God, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so pretty. The presentation is good. Okay, never mind my bubbles in the sink. Okay, keeping a clean kitchen here. Taste it. It was good. I wish you could, there was like a tasteogram or something, like a smellogram, like you could smell them. They smelled great. They taste great. I want to tell y'all why I like organic bananas. I love bananas. Like Oprah says, she loves bread. I love bread too, but I love bananas. The best bananas to me are organic bananas. They have a sweeter taste. They're not as chalky. They're really good. It's a smooth banana. And when you make banana muffins or banana bread, you want a really ripe banana. Those bananas were black. The end, y'all. Like, subscribe, and share. Boujee on the Bayou here.